to love her. Does she miss me? Sometimes I just can't help but wonder if I could stop the hands of time, then I'd know she'd always be forever mine, part of mine. Will you keep from dying? Stop reminiscing. Who is she kissing? Part of mine. Oh, what's the use in trying? No one can mend you now. Then I know she'd always be forever mine, part of mine. Will you keep from lying? Stop reminiscing. Who is she kissing? Part of mine. Oh, what's the use in trying? No one can mend you now. Oh, part of mine. Stop reminiscing. Who is she kissing? Part of mine. Oh, what's the